Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be talking about BitNulls. BitNulls is a service provider giving you signals for your crypto trading. So stick around till the end of this video because we will cover a lot of points and give you some glimpse of what to expect from this project over here. But first of all, this video is
only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice.
And without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on the platform, BitNulls. What to expect from this service? It's elevating your trading experience. Simply here, they are the top crypto signal provider, outperforming all major indexes, making them the prime choice for you. So you can start trading over here, and then simply speaking here, that's a glimpse of their performance. As you can see here, that's a performance with BTC, and that's the Ethereum, that's Solana. As you can see, Solana here, they are just outperforming by a huge margin, and of course, you know, Solana and the market volatility and everything. Ethereum, they're also having a good margin, and BTC, it's slightly slim here, but it's just getting in a very good position. That's the differentiation between BitNulls and the holding, the traditional holding. So how to start using the service and how to make the best out of the service over here? Well, simply speaking, they're giving you daily signals, delivering straight to your inbox through the cutting edge reports, and these reports will give you an orientation around the market, and then trade the top 3 cryptocurrencies using their strategy in under 5 minutes per day. And then here you can click get reports and you can start using the service straight away, and that's trusted by over 5,000 plus traders. And here you can read through some of the comments and some of the reviews. Some of them are great, actually many of them are great, and they are giving you some confidence that things are giving them good results. But of course you have to try it out yourself, and you have to have the fundamentals on trading, and you will need to at least understand how to navigate yourself around the market. Of course, crypto trading is associated with a lot of risks. Of course, also relying on a third party or someone else to give you a recommendation, whether they have a bot or they have some experience in the market, that will kind of cut the time or the amount of effort you have to put in the learning process. But I would say also it's a very good shortcut for you to have the confidence to enter the market. Whenever you're doing your analysis yourself and you see that this daily report is also confirming your instinct or your kind of decision, then you would make sure that you're taking the right step. As you can see here, that's their plans. Choosing your plan with all the all-inclusive membership over here. Monthly you would pay $30, and quarterly you would be paying 53 or 54 bucks, and yearly you will be paying $215. So that will include daily mails, weekly macro reports, and supporting 24/7. So if you have any problems at any time, you can just go out there and solve it. So as you can see here, it's a protected and secure payment, and you can cancel at any time once you click in your account, and just it's a simple setup over there. So these are some frequently asked questions. What is BitNulls and how to start using it? And here you can read and inform yourself more. Of course, everything I'm talking about is included there in the description, so you can get yourself over there, and then you can go over the questions and go over all the information, and then you can have a decisive decision whether that's suitable for you or not. But generally speaking, it's a good service, especially if you're not really sure or you don't have enough time to analyze the market. Then daily reports and daily signals and their recommendations would be something that's considered as a shortcut for you for a good performance over the longer run. You know that crypto trading in general, it's not instantaneous. It will take some time and it will take some build up. So as you can see here, what does a signal look like? The signals will be sent in a timely manner to you to register email inbox, and then the signal is nothing more than just a notice and or suggestion to buy or sell a cryptocurrency asset that detects a potential for a price movement. So it's also worth mentioning that the reports is sent every day at 8:30 p.m. EST time. So the crypto market is extremely volatile. So if you see the email at 10 p.m. and now the price is kind of in a different stage, then you can just send them an email or notify them, and then they can give you a new entry price. So it's also covering different time zones. It's not only EST, but I would say that if you're living in somewhere else rather than the EST, then you can also have the advantage of the constant kind of communication between you and their team, so you would have a seamless transition into the market, because the cryptocurrency market is working 24/7. It never stops, so it's also good for you to be always updated on the latest exchange or the latest changes in the market. So as you can see here, will BitNels have access to your funds? No, it's just a signal provider, meaning that they give you recommendations and that's it. The decision is made solely by you, meaning that you have the final call whether you want to take the trade or not, whether you want to consider this recommendation or not. But this recommendation is made by experts. And how do you perform here at the execution of order? This will depend on which page you trade or cryptocurrencies on, or what kind of trading platform you're using. And most of the recognized exchanges have their own user guidelines, of course. Otherwise, you can contact their team and they will guide you through. So as I'm telling you, it's quite, buying your time in exchange for convenience, and it's a good service to give you some indications on the market. Of course, as I'm telling you also, there is always some risk associated and there is nothing 100% accurate. So you will need to understand more about this concept of signals, and then you can make up your mind whether you want to use it or not. But generally speaking, it's a good shortcut way to have decently better results than other holdings. And as you can see here, that's a simple graph showing you some difference and some good margin that you can benefit from once you use these signals. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about BitNels. BitNels, as I told you, it's quite an interesting service provider for you to give you signals and when to enter the market, when to exit, how to start moving your way around trading platforms, and how to start making profits trading crypto and all over the indexes in the industry. So I would highly recommend you to check the links down below, inform yourself more, get yourself more educated about the topic, and then connect the dots, and you will see that things are moving into a very good direction. So of course, you have to do your educative part and you have to inform yourself more. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below. And until next time, bye bye.